#Mindfulness for beginners. Techniques for a calmer mind. Ever feel like your mind's a hamster wheel, spinning out of control? You're not alone. We're bombarded with information and stimuli 24/7, leaving us stressed and overwhelmed. But there's a way to break free. Mindfulness. It's not about emptying your mind, that's impossible, but about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's like taking a mental vacation from the constant chatter. Here's a simple technique to get you started. 1. Find a quiet spot. Anywhere you can sit comfortably for a few minutes will do. 2. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. This helps to minimize distractions. 3. Focus on your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the air entering and leaving your nostrils. 4. Notice any thoughts or feelings that arise. Don't judge them, just observe them like passing clouds. 5. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. It's okay, it happens to everyone. Even a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a big difference. You'll feel calmer, more focused, and better able to handle whatever life throws your way. Give it a try. Your mind will thank you. ***.